Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make a hyperlink in Telegram. It's a pretty straightforward process and a fun one too, so just follow along. To get started, make sure you've downloaded your Telegram app and logged into your Telegram account. Now launch your Telegram. You will have a homepage something like this. Now in order to make a hyperlink in Telegram, just select the person that you want to send the link to and start typing the message or the text that you want to create the link. Click here for more. Alright, now next we want to select the text that we want to create the link. Let's say I want to make the whole text clickable. Now it's time to click on these three dots and go ahead and select create link. So just type in the URL that you want to forward the link to. Let's say I just want to send this link to google.com. Now click on OK and send. Now let's test this link. Just select this link and it will ask you if you want to open the link and click on open, and here we have it. Now you know how to set or create hyperlink in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding making hyperlinks in Telegram, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.